This is the first time that I'm using this view from here, guys. So something that's gonna be coming to the channel now. Hope you enjoy. So we're gonna have two views. We're gonna have this view, you looking at my pretty face, and I'm gonna go around and do another lap with my Bitwell helmet on with the GoPro right here, so you can see. You're gonna see both views right now in the video. All right, so if you guys see a difference in the scenery right now because it looks a little darker, it's because I had to go back and re-record this video. I don't know what happened to it earlier, the one that I recorded, but it got deleted. So yeah, I'm re-recording the view from my GoPro mounted on my chin now. All right, guys, so right now we're cruising around 45. From the top of the windshield, there's obviously less wind than the other stock one, but it's kind of like hitting me at the tip of the of my helmet on top. Where I am getting a lot of wind from is like coming from here, so I kind of feel like the wind is like literally looping up and then hitting me right in the face, kind of. And that, I think, is just due to the design of the fairing, being that the fairing is so curvy right here, as you can see, and then being that the windshield is taller right here. Any wind is just gonna accumulate right here and then kind of hit you on the side of your helmet. So there is right now at this speed, there is no noise, no buffeting. It's not bothering me. At 60, there's a little more buffeting. So from this view, tell me what you guys think about it so far. Do you guys like the way it looks ahead right here in the cockpit? I like it. It looks pretty cool. We gotta go hop on the highway real quick, put it up to highway speeds, see how she handles. Then we'll hop off the bike, take a little walk around the bike, show you guys what she looks like. Now I gotta say that when I did get the when I did buy this fairing did take off a lot of wind off my chest. The only thing that I was getting was just obviously my I was still getting a lot of wind in my face, but at least for the most part, everything off my chest was, you know, it's better that way. At 95, she handled well. At 80, she's handling good. There is wind buffeting come, and that wind buffeting is kind of from here, like I was saying before. The wind loops in through here, and then it kind of smacks you on the corner of your helmet. Off the top right here, there's some wind coming off, but it kind of hits you right on the top, on the tippy top, so it's not that bad. When I had the stock one, it was kind of hitting me right in the forehead, right where my eyes are at as well. So this is obviously much better here from the front. Obviously, look right here, I'm feeling nothing right here, no wind at all. Once I get to the top, the wind goes to the tippy top. It's not bad. Get up this exit and turn back around. So not bad, guys. She handles really well at higher speeds. Pretty good. Let me know how the sound quality is right now, because I know with the other one at higher speeds it was a bit, you guys heard a lot of that buffeting, a lot of that wind noise hitting the helmet. We'll turn back on the highway. I would have had that footage from earlier, so the quality of the weather would have matched with the sunny skies from earlier. But we'll work around it for now. It's my first time doing this like on a double look vlog type of thing. I don't really have the money to drop $400 or $500 on another GoPro right now, so for now this is gonna have to do, guys. Down a bit. So she does handle really good, guys. 100-mile-an-hour wind, it's holding up pretty well. And there's a bump here, bump, and there's another bump, bump. Those Jersey roads suck. Whoa. Did you saw that? You guys saw that right now? The fairing just popped back, man. It just popped back. I really hope, this is my exit anyways, I really hope that those rubber grommets are still there, that they didn't pop out. Because if I lose them, then I'm assed out. Oh, man. Oh, I was super excited for this, man. And I know exactly what went wrong. So on Dirty Dixie's website, they do have they do show the clips that you can get. It's the safety clips that a lot of people have been telling me for some time now to get, because of all the issues that everyone's been having with this fairing. And it's not the windshield, it's the fairing itself. Obviously at high speeds, and being that this windshield's taller than the other one, at high speeds what happens is that it kind of pushes. We'll pull over right now, I'll show you guys, I'll explain it. Hopefully those things are still in there, man. Okay. Oh man, are they in there? All right, they're still in there. I don't know if you guys can see. All right, you see how that moves? You see how that moves? So you see these claws? I don't know if you guys are able to see right now. This is part of the fairing, right? And this is supposed to go pushed in to the rubber grommet in there, and then in that one as well. Jesus, man, come on. So this is basically what happened to me before. When I first installed the fairing, was that due to the wind force, the wind hitting the windshield on top of here, it pops it out from the bottom. And the way I had it installed last time, the grommets just popped out and I lost those. Luckily enough, I had 2 extra ones from the original fairing that the bike comes with. But that sucks. So on their website, they do show these clips like I was mentioning before. There's some little safety clips. I'll put them up right here. And I put the part number where you can order them from. Either you can order, I don't know if they sell it on their website or they just give you the information on how to get them from Harley-Davidson, but Harley-Davidson is the one that sells both parts. So it's some clips and another thing that kind of just keeps that thing locked in there and it'll prevent it from happening. It's super upset, man. Super upset. It's like I feel like I'm going back to my video from a month or 2 ago when I first had the issue with this fairing, man. Like I said, it's not the windshield, it's not the Dirty Dixie windshield, it's the actual fairing, the design of it. It's like such a big flaw, man. So I'm gonna just have to order those clips because obviously I don't want that happening. You know, for the longer rides, I mean, even right there, we're cruising at 90, 95, if anything, and it happened. All right, well, that's just another issue that we're gonna have to deal with, and we'll follow up on this with another video. But as far as the windshield does it does its duty. It does good for what it is. Like I said, this is a 12-inch. It does come in 10-inch, 12, 14, and a 16-inch. I did go with the 12. I think 12 is probably the most popular size. I think is the one that looks the best. The 10 looks good too, it's just a little too small. The 12 just gives the bike a really good proportion to everything. 14 and 16 to me just makes the bike look a little funny in my opinion. This is just my honest opinion, guys. I told you, I don't care who sends me stuff or who I'm working with. I'm always gonna give you guys my honest, true opinion on everything, because I mean, gotta keep it real, you feel me? But I do like it. It does look really good. I am gonna have to end up buying those little clips for it. Bike does look really good, man. I love it. I really love it. I gotta, you know what? Let's take a flick right now, because I kind of like this background here. It looks pretty cool. Yep. Get the sky in it. There we go, guys. That's gonna conclude the video. I promise that next time, like I mentioned before, when I have the camera looking from both angles, it's gonna work out better. I gotta find a way more effective way to do it. Obviously later on I'll get myself another GoPro, and I have 2 of them. That'll be pretty cool. I wanna start working more with the channel, trying to give you guys the best views, the best content that I can give. Thank you for watching. If you're new to my channel, hit the subscribe button, hit that bell button to notify you anytime I upload any type of new content. Like always, guys, let the force be with you. Ride safe and enjoy the ride, baby. Peace.